Welcome to this comprehensive review of Ucraft, a popular website builder that's been gaining attention for its user-friendly platform and modern features. In this video, I'm going to take you through my personal experience with Ucraft, focusing on its key aspects like ease of use, design options, pricing, and more. When you first log into Ucraft, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. The dashboard is straightforward, allowing you to easily navigate through all of its options. Creating a new website is as simple as choosing a template or starting from scratch. Ucraft offers a wide range of modern, responsive templates suited for businesses, portfolios, blogs, and e-commerce stores. One of the standout features of Ucraft is its drag-and-drop editor. The editor is incredibly easy to use, even if you have no prior web development experience. You can add elements like images, text, buttons, and even interactive features with just a few clicks. The flexibility of the editor makes it possible to create a highly personalized website without needing to code. The design tools are powerful, and you can easily adjust everything from fonts and colors to page layouts and navigation menus. In terms of pricing, Ucraft offers several affordable plans. There's a free plan available, but it comes with some limitations, such as the inclusion of Ucraft branding and fewer features. If you need more functionality, their premium plans are quite reasonable, starting at just a few dollars per month. These plans include more customization options, access to premium templates, and additional e-commerce capabilities. Speaking of e-commerce, Ucraft has robust e-commerce features that allow you to sell products directly from your website. You can manage inventory, set up payment gateways, and even track orders. Whether you're selling digital or physical products, Ucraft has a solid foundation for building an online store. While Ucraft is a fantastic option for many users, there are a few limitations. For example, the platform doesn't have as many advanced integrations as some competitors. However, for most users, Ucraft offers more than enough tools to create a professional-looking website without needing third-party apps. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Overall, Ucraft is a versatile website builder that offers great value for both beginners and more experienced users. Its combination of ease of use, design flexibility, and affordable pricing makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a professional website. I hope this review has helped you get a clear picture of what Ucraft has to offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. Don't forget to leave your thoughts or any questions in the comments below.